of Shenzhen from the train to Hong Kong. Cool. Shirley and I just went for a hike. Shirley's from RISD.
Hello.
We've been homies for a few years, and now she's showing me Hong Kong. I'm exhausted. This building is huge. It's an awesome view. Very nice. This is nuts.
Welcome to Hong Kong.
Thank you. Xianga.
I know that 1, 2, 3, right?
We just came across a snakey on the trail. Where'd he go?
It's right there. He's got a red neck.
Oh yeah. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I can see him in the video.
He's right here.
Oh wait, yeah, there he is. Whoa.
Wait, what should we do? Do we just go?
Yeah, we're fine. We're totally fine.
Really?
He's not gonna get us. Just slivering off trail.
Okay, alright.
There's a snake here.
There's a snake.
Oh, that's awesome. Wow. Now we're walking on this path, and it's like you're on a beam. You could step down and break your ankles, or worse.
It should be.
That rock's a little loose.
If not, we'll just backtrack.
A view, though. So is that like the thing on top there? Is that like a star? What is it called?
It's
The
observatory.
observatory?
Yeah.
I don't know what the word I was trying to say.
Star.
A star gazing thing, you know, the stars and the gazing.
It's for the weather.
Oh.
It's a Hong Kong weather observatory.
Gotcha. What is the word I'm looking for? Where you like to look at the stars, like the you know that word? It's like stars only.
I don't know.
This is really nice. Here are all the birds too. There's the observatory. So cool.
So if you wanted to take the Airport Express, you would take it in Central. They have a huge terminal, and the Airport Express only takes like, what, 20-something minutes to get to the airport?
Okay.
Very fast.
There's the Intercontinental Hotel where I stayed. And over here, by that Ferris wheel, right in front of the Ferris wheel, is the convention building for the Hong Kong electronic fairs I went to. And then we got a whole view of everything.
Famous crosswalk, we'll go there later.
Oh, cool. Cool place to film.
Yeah. You know how,
Alright, train's coming. I'll press the button now. And then you press the button, send it back. Oh. I see the button. Send it back.